Kendo yango ni oikore mar mondo mi jo Kenya obi chap chopo kanyo. Jatelono koni jolony, jopuonjre, ji mane kod ng'ol kod kweth mamoko ibiro mi thuolo mar lime kapok oyawe ayanga. Pap ma Uhuru Gardens ni kod historia makende ahinya ewi lwenj kedo ne Kenya e lwet jowagunda, kendo piny owacho oseketo maino e keto pauno obedo makare.
I do believe that once this place is fully operational, it will host many thousands of visitors. It will help us identify our Kenyanness. It will help us identify our diversity, because we are diverse. But that's a beautiful thing also. It will help us be able to celebrate each other's cultures. It will help us be able to understand our different cultures a little bit more, and hopefully understand that it is a mix of all of these things that makes us Kenyan. That's what makes us Kenyan. And it is then from there that you get pride in being who you are. A place where we shall celebrate the good. We shall see the bad as it was. It's part of our history. We can't run away from it. And remember our ugly, so that we hopefully shall never repeat our ugly again. So it will be the face of who we are, what we've been, what we've gone through.
Ramogi wakao yue marwa mokwongo mag weche manyien mag OIMORE otieno